Gavin, do you like a banana? Somebody loves banana. Watch. Is it good? You want some more? No? Here you go. Do you want to hold it? Here, you want to hold the banana? Well, maybe not holding it. Oh, that's a big bite. How about it? You like it? You are mommy's son. Maybe when you're big enough, you can eat banana and cheese like mommy. Are you tapping on the table? Tap, 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 tap. Oh, you want it? Here, you hold it. You want some more? You're like a little monkey. Oh, no? No more? Okay. All right. Good job, Gavin. Good job trying new food. Banana. Banana. No more? All right.